Hey folks, we're on top of the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Sorry, I'll stand this way. Can't really see much. The lights there. Behind me is the Statue of Unity back there, and we have just started the Hyundai Great India Drive from the Statue of Unity, which faces the Sardar Sarovar Dam. This highly controversial dam, which is right now at peak water capacity, which was started in 1961. The foundation stones were laid by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the dam reaches maximum capacity in 2017 in Narendra Modi's time, sort of connecting the two men, and you know how that is. But this is a really impressive dam. It's the second largest cement and concrete dam in the world. It is the third largest dam in terms of water storage capacity. Of course, the Chinese built the Three Gorges Dam that you've heard of, and the second largest water storing is Aswan in Egypt. So let me turn around. I know I'm looking at the sun, but you can see the massive Sardar Sarovar reservoir behind me, and right here these are the sluice gates that we are at one end, and those wires you see on top of me, those were the guide wires used for the massive concrete pouring. You can see the frames have been maintained as sort of heritage area, and this top of the dam, you can't imagine something so narrow up on the top. It doesn't look too wide, it's just about 2 lanes wide, is holding back millions and millions of tons of water. I mean, just the force of water over here is tremendous, because this dam, the hydropower from this dam can generate 1450 megawatts of power. It's a fairly powerful dam. Of course, again, Three Gorges in China is bigger. But this is still a very impressive project. It also shows how long it takes to build developmental projects in India, because of the fact we're a democracy, right? And it is, but it's impressive because the water from here goes to parched areas of Saurashtra, of Kutch, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Yes, many people were displaced, and we cannot forget that. And if it weren't for the protests, maybe they would not have got the rehabilitation programs that they did get, but maybe the protests went a bit too far. I mean, that's a whole political debate, and there's a debate about environmental impact of big dams, but you cannot but say that this is an extremely impressive project. I'm just taking a shot of myself. Yeah, oops, there we go. And I'll stop the video now, and thanks for watching.